What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to add text in GIMP. So let's get right into it. Go to Tools to find the text option, or you can find it by clicking on the A icon on your left side. Now hold your cursor down and make a text box as big as you want to write your text. Click inside and type your text. You can edit the text by highlighting it to increase the size, change the color of the text, make it bold, italic, and underline the text. Now, if you want to move your text, press on the Move Tool icon. That will allow you to move your text. Otherwise, you'll move your background. If you make a mistake, just click on Edit and undo Move Layer. I'll do another text example so you can see it again. And that's it, guys. How to add text in GIMP. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys on the next one.